I introduce the detailed information of this compressor to you. This is Valeo TM65. So from here you can see this is hooking ring. You can lift the compressor from here, and the compressor have two set glass, left and right. This compressor front, we have about 6 installing hole to install the clutch coil. On the top, we have 2 places to install the shut-over valve. This is shut-over valve. One is for suction and another is for discharge. This compressor is 2 years guarantee. It can use for the 12-meter bus, and it can use for some Guchen bus air conditioner like SD06, PZD07, BD07, like for this bus air conditioner. 就这么地吧。